Okay, go, Connor.
Press the camera on first.
No. Well done, Connor.
Oh, sorry, because if I opened it,
Come. Okay, come back. I can't believe that, Connor. Well done. Excellent. Okay, come over once more here to me. Come on. Well done. Don't crash into Donald's car now. Well done, Dara. Well done, Connor. Excellent.